Ever had to unplug your webcam just to plug in a flash drive? That was me last week. Out of USB ports and out of patience. So I picked up the StarTech 5-port USB PCIe card, 4 new external ports plus 1 internal. Today, I'm going to unbox it, install it, and show you what happens when Windows 11 sees it for the first time. Here we go. This one is a StarTech.com 5-port USB 3.2 Gen 2. Just going to make it 10 gigabits per second combo card. 4 USB-Cs, 1 USB-A, and it's for PCI Express. I'm going to open it up here. Looking at it, we've got 4 USB-Cs on the outside. And then on the inside, there is 1 USB-A. There is a SATA connection here for power. That's going to allow you to get power to the USB-C ports. I'm touching a lot of expensive and valuable to me equipment, so I want to put on a static band. This is going to ground me and make sure that I don't have any static coming off of me. I do have it plugged in over here to my ground. You can also attach it to your case as an option if you'd like. Let's go ahead and get started here. Step 1, I'm going to need to remove the screws up here and access the inside of this. Laying it down is also a great choice. Gives me a clear view of what's going on and easy access to everything as well. Now we need to go ahead and install it. This is a PCIe card. This piece down here gives me access to the gate. This is just a thumb screw. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and slide it in. Seat it. Make sure that everything's lined up. And add my screw. After this, we'll need to go ahead and turn on the computer, put everything back together, and then we'll look at what we need to do in order to configure this. Now that we've installed the USB-C expansion card, it's time to plug it in and check it out, see if it works. So when I plug in a USB device, I get the familiar bong, and we're fixed. That is having us ready to go for our USB expansion card.